Hi all, welcome back to Mom and Me Bombs. Today's episode is how to fry jackfruit seeds and powder it and its benefits. See some of the products we made using it. Jackfruit, which is a sweet smelling succulent summer fruit with yellow lobes, is a favorite for many of us and is available in the market and, of course, in many houses. While the juicy flesh of the fruit is relished, the hard nut like seeds are discarded immediately. These nutty seeds can either be eaten, either roasted, boiled, or converted into flour. We can make use of the seed flour as a binding agent in certain food preparations. Benefits are it fights wrinkles, helps in curing mental stress and skin diseases, prevents anemia, healthy hair and good eyesight, prevents indigestion, builds muscles and boosts vision. The raw jackfruit seeds looks like this. Now to start to fry it into a hot kadai, add little salt, and when it becomes hot, into that add the raw jackfruit seeds and fry this. This will take about 10 to 20 minutes for frying it. See, you can also fry it using sand. In the same way, it has to be hot, and then into that add the raw jackfruit seeds and fry it. And once it's fried, you can see the outer coat can come out like this. See, we have to remove the outer coat. The seeds of jackfruit are blessed with umpteen health benefits as said earlier. After removing the outer coat, you have to powder it using a blender. This is a bit difficult portion. You have to blend it at least 3 or 4 times. Since the jackfruit seeds is a hard one, the inner portion may not get fried. So, after powdering it, we have to fry this powder for 1 or 2 hours to store it for a longer period. Jackfruit is the largest tree fruit in the world, capable of growing big and heavy. It's packed with protein and loads of other nutrients like vitamin B and potassium. But did you know that the seeds of this fruit are healthy too? These seeds are rich in thiamine and riboflavin, which help in turning the food you eat into energy and keep your eyes, skin, and hair healthy. These seeds also provide small amounts of minerals like zinc, iron, calcium, copper, potassium, and magnesium. Here goes on the list of its benefits. Once it starts to become brown, it's ready to be stored in an airtight container. See, this is the color. You can add this product to your chapathi or puttu in small quantities, and it is very healthy. See our other products. Jackfruit seeds snickers. It's coming soon. Jackfruit seeds cookies. You can make several things with jackfruit seeds powdered. Please do drop in your comments and do support us. Thank you.